Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Differential equations are solved quickly by knowing patterns. We will find the specific solution for this growth model now. Let's go.
Start by recognizing this is a separable differential equation where the rate of change depends on y. We need to move all y terms to one side to begin our integration. Divide both sides by y and multiply by dx to get dy over y equals 0.3 dx. This setup allows us to integrate both sides of the equation independently. The natural log of y equals 0.3x plus c. Using the initial condition of 10, the constant multiplier must be exactly 10. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option A.